Hey everybody, Connor with Honor. Today's your real estate update. Today's going to be the 13th of May, 2024. 362 total active units on the market for sale in all of Santa Clarita Valley. That's going to be single-family residences, condominiums, and townhomes in the last 7 days. Here's a quick recap. Before I give you the recap, though, let's talk about a couple things. You want to buy a house, you want to sell a house, connorwithhonor.com. You'll see a whole bunch of guides there. I have a guide for just about every seller and every buyer out there looking, whether you're first time, whether you're veteran, whether you want to do it yourself or do a FSBO, which is a for sale by owner. You want to save money on commission. Go there and look at these guides. They're free and there's no obligation. Last 7 days in Santa Clarita Valley, we had 8 properties that are posted coming soon, 45 new listings, 45 adjustments to the prices. Those are actually reductions in listing price. 22 properties hit back on the market. 36 properties actually went into escrow. 63 properties went into pending. We have 54 properties that closed the last 7 days in Santa Clarita Valley. 8 new listings, or 8 listings actually expired, not selling within contractual timeframes. Those might be good deals. 10 properties canceled. 9 have been put on hold. 2 have withdrawn, and that gives us the 362 total active listings all across Santa Clarita Valley. A seller tip out there: if you are looking to sell your house, make sure that you understand the way the commission structure works and have it explained to you the way that the process is going to change in July. That's incredibly important. If you are looking to purchase real estate, that commission for your agent might also factor into what is known as closing costs for you. So you want to make sure that what you're paying, if in fact that is what it's going to cost you to purchase real estate, you're going to have to pay an agent to represent you. Make sure you have quality that you're hiring, and make sure this individual that you are hiring has some kind of a presence and does try to put information out there to help gain their advantage for their sellers and also their buyers out there, which is important for you when you're making that selection for a real estate agent. Thank you so much for listening to today's Santa Clarita Real Estate Update. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll have more information, new listings, and of course, more excitement to share. I'm Connor with Honor. Be well, and we will talk to you soon. Connor with Honor, over and out.